NeuroCONCISE is a neurotechnology company. We develop technologies that potentially enable people to communicate and interact with technology. We partnered with Ulster University's Intelligent Systems Research Centre, the Spatial Computing and Neurotechnology Innovation Hub at the Research Centre, and the Northern Ireland Functional Brain Mapping Facility to develop a number of neurotech devices and solutions that have advanced treatments for people with physical disabilities or rehabilitation needs. Basically, brain-computer interfaces involve wearing a wearable headset that measures brain activity non-invasively and translates that brain activity into control signals that potentially enable people to communicate and interact with technology without moving. Flex EEG is our unique wearable device that is developed on a flexible PCB substrate that folds around the head and can be concealed under standard headwear, hats, caps, wigs. We can enable people to measure brain activity without anybody else knowing because it's concealable, there's no boxes, it's slim, unobtrusive and comfortable. So we've a Bluetooth connectivity with other devices and the battery is charged wirelessly as well. Flex EEG connects to other devices, smartphones, laptops via Bluetooth. We have our flagship software platform called NeuroCONCISE. NeuroCONCISE collects the data, translates the data in real time to enable people to interact with technology or communicate without movement. It also sends the data to the cloud where you can visualize your data in real time from any location and get updates to ensure that you're tip-top performing with the brain-computer interface technology. We work with a range of different patient groups, including spinal injury, stroke rehabilitation, brain injury. So in the brain injury group, people sometimes come through a coma. They could be diagnosed vegetative or unresponsive wakefulness syndrome, or even result in a locked-in syndrome. And it's very difficult to get a key indication of somebody's awareness. That often leads to misdiagnosis in this patient group. So with neurotechnology and with our technology, we place a headset on the individual. We ask them to imagine movements. If we see differences in the imagined movements, then that gives us an indication that they've heard us, they've got command following, and they're responding to the task. Once we've established a level of awareness, we would enter them into a program of training that enable them to answer a yes/no response just by simply imagining movements. NeuroCONCISE and Ulster University have undertaken trials with people with brain injury, spinal injury, and with people who have stroke issues, all with different benefits arising from utilising this type of technology. We've established partnerships with over 17 hospitals, including 12 NHS sites, and we'll be conducting trials in those areas and regions across the UK and Ireland. We're really excited about what's to come. There's huge potential for the UK to drive the sector forward and create world-leading technologies. There are many people all over the world who have difficulties communicating due to physical disabilities caused by disease or injury. Our mission at NeuroCONCISE is to change that.